Good afternoon.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, everybody.
Morning, everybody. It's always getting wrong.
Alright, so welcome back to another
Cook4we
Cook4we session.
episode.
What? This is
Cook4we
7.
2006.
Today we have a guest, and our guest is Chef Soraya. Today we have Chef Soraya with us.
Yeah.
Right, so she's gonna help
Wait, we
us.
forgot something. Dangerous things.
Dangerous things in
I
the
want to
kitchen.
talk about the dangerous things.
No, well, since Soraya is our guest today, let Soraya tell us
Soraya.
some of the dangerous things we have to look out for in the kitchen. Go, Soraya.
Go.
Knives, scissors, hot water, hot stove.
An oven.
Alright. Anything else that we should look out for that may be dangerous in the
Don't
kitchen?
say angry dogs.
Maybe angry dogs.
What? Those are the dangerous things we have to look out for in the kitchen. Right, so today we are gonna try to cook
Sweet and sour chicken. Sweet and sour chicken. I have never tasted sweet and sour chicken in my life.
Alright, sweet sour chicken, yes. I never cooked sweet and you never taste sweet and sour chicken?
Then how you know?
No.
Oh, okay. You never taste sweet and sour chicken
Yeah, but
either?
make it before.
You make sweet and sour chicken before?
Then how you know that chicken? Then how you know it tastes
Yeah,
good? Yes. Then how you know it
Yes,
tastes good? I think yes then. I think yes.
No. Alright, so we're gonna try to make sweet and sour chicken.
Yeah, but I say yes.
This is the breast,
Meat.
chicken.
Cheese. Breast chicken.
Breast.
Chicken breast. Okay. So,
Yeah.
I know. Daddy, I can smash it. Just looking at it, can I smash it? Just looking at it. Can I smash it?
That's what I thought.
What is that? That is. Hey!
No, not yet, not yet.
It looks like it comes from an octopus body. They take off all the skin, and then after that, they leave it in the water for a long time.
Well-
and then take
That's
it
just
out.
what they just do.
Well, this you all have to know what it looks like before they eating it. And all they eating it so long now, all they eating it and all they want to know how it look like before.
Bam!
It look
Oh,
This is what all they does be eating. When all they eating all the chicken nuggets.
chicken nuggets, yes.
Right, so-
yeah. Also, we put up a picture of honey nuggets. Yeah, honey nuggets.
Right, so what
Yeah.
you
Those toast.
It's smash
taste real good.
do? Right, so who doing the smashing?
Me. I'm not. Zane is the tenderizing
Alright, so Zane will do a
killer.
little bit first.
Yeah. I'm gonna do
So
it.
Zane, you will do a little bit first, and
Yeah.
then Soraya, right?
Okay.
Alright, go ahead.
Smash
Take
it.
it. Don't pong it. Don't pong it like Thor, eh?
Okay.
Just like this.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead. Come on, harder than that, man.
Pong it like Thor. No.
Alright. Keep going, keep going.
Keep going like Thor. Pong it like Thor.
Right, make it.
Pong it
Make
like
it.
the sun of
Right, make it flat. Flat like a pancake. Alright. Right, look all in this all here. You have all here to do. Pong, 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 pong. Alright. Alright, Soraya, you wanna finish this off? Alright. this side too.
Okay. That
Come on, give me some elbow, man. Pong it.
Slap it.
Pong it.
Daddy.
Pong it.
Daddy.
Pong it.
I'm going a little bit crazy.
Pong it.
I'm going a little bit crazy.
Smash it. Alright.
I was getting a little bit too fast.
Alright, so we'll do the inside here, right?
I'm going so dizzy.
From by the fat
Smash
part,
it.
right?
Yep. Smash hard.
Harder.
Harder.
This side, right?
I'm going a little bit dizzy.
Alright.
Okay. Okay, I'm going a little bit dizzy right now.
I saw it. She's like,
Wow. Okay.
Right.
Dad, I was getting a little
So
bit
now
crazy.
flatten it out.
Daddy, I was going a little
You
bit
would
crazy
get
right
big.
now. Yeah, get big and the meat turn to death completely.
Right, there we go. Cut it up.
Yeah.
Daddy, can I cut it? No. I want to cut it, Daddy.
Wait, so Daddy, this is gonna be fried sweet chicken?
Fried chicken.
Or
Kinda. Comes
kind
with.
of. Kind
Come,
of.
right?
Kind of, but not really.
I smell something like strawberry. God, you know it.
Right, hold the knife full like this. Right? Because come in the right hand and right. Ready? Cut. Right.
What is that?
That's a knife.
No, not that.
Chicken.
That.
Right, one more.
So the chicken one.
No, you want
Now that we have our meat,
Why you doing that? Why you doing
our next step is to season
Okay
the meat.
Season, yes.
So we have seasoning,
Yeah.
we have some salt,
Mm-hmm.
and we have some potato powder.
What?
You have some what?
Some potato powder.
You crush a potato.
That's
Yeah, potato powder.
potato power.
Right, so we have three things. So who want to put what? Choose one.
I wanna put in this magic potato powder.
Ah, look, it will take too long. You getting salt.
You put
Salt for you, boy.
I'll put in that.
Alright, so who put in first?
I don't know.
Me.
Zin? Alright, go
Then
ahead.
me. And then me.
Right. Who else?
Wow, put you.
Salt.
Oh.
Right, and seasoning. Next ingredient.
A mugger.
An egg.
I'm gonna put in the egg.
You want to play the egg?
Yeah.
Alright.
I cracked the egg before and it was just satisfying. Okay.
Don't do this.
They drop this in inside the thing.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm gonna put it in.
Hold one side, take your next hand, hold the next side.
And then it is just.
Don't squeeze it, pull it apart.
That.
Right. Go wash your hands.
I'm gonna wash my hands into the soup.
What? Then
Let's leave it alone.
they just
Taking on another level. Yes. Yes. Talk nonsense. I am not nonsense.
Should you dry your hands?
Yeah.
Alright, so I need mix it up, so right. Mix it up, mix it up.
Mix it up. Sit down. Sit down.
Right,
Oh,
who tasting first?
me.
Alright, so Ryan tasting first.
Okay.
It might be hot.
What does it taste?
Alright, you taste it now. See it, let me see. Wait, no, don't spit it back on the plate. One up on plate.
Oh, it's on enough.
No. Put it in your mouth, right?
It's not all good.
What do you think, Zachary?
It's awesome.
No, I want the truth, yeah?
And the truth.
And what are you doing?
It tastes good.
Is missing anything?
No.
Try anything and missing anything? Good job. Alright, good job.
That's it.
Alright, so that's the verdict on this return. This is also what chicken that take whole day to make. Take 24 hours.
What? 24 hours?
Right, so don't forget to subscribe.
Slide that like button.
And comment below to see what they should make next. Because I might not be here.
Oh gosh, alright. You have to hit us with the sad news so early.
And you need to make it.
Yes, and you need to try it too. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment below, as Soraya said, and tell us what you think we should make next. And don't forget to try it. That what you said, right, Zane?
Yeah.
Alright. Anything else you want to tell you folks before we go?
No.
Bye.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. What holidays? Oh yes, it's